Hello students, today in our grammar class we will again learn different kinds of pronoun. Okay, and today is our part 2 and let's begin our class. The topics that are to be discussed today about the kinds of pronoun are reciprocal pronoun and indefinite pronoun. Okay students, so today we will learn another two types of pronoun, that is reciprocal pronoun and indefinite pronoun. So let's begin with reciprocal pronoun. What is reciprocal pronoun? Reciprocal pronoun is used to denote reciprocity, okay, or mutuality of actions done by the subjects. Okay, so what is a reciprocal pronoun used for? It is used to denote reciprocity or mutuality of actions that are done by the subjects. Okay, it is called reciprocal pronoun as it reciprocates the actions done by the two persons or things. Okay, it in a sentence it comes after the verb. Okay, in a sentence it comes after the verb. That means reciprocal pronoun is used to show the reciprocity or mutuality between two persons. The actions, it reciprocates the actions done by two persons or things. Okay, that means the action happens in between two persons. But reciprocal pronoun, it shows not only the action of one person but it also shows the action of the another person. That means the action is reciprocated. Okay, reciprocated between the two persons or two things. The same actions is done by the first person as well as the second person also. So let us look at some examples. Number 1, Rohan and Shekhar hugged each other on meeting after a long time. That means what? This each other here is the what? This each other is the reciprocal pronoun here. Okay, and this each other is reciprocating the what? Actions done by Rohan and Shekhar. So Rohan and Shekhar is the subjects here. Okay, and the action is hugging. Okay, they are embracing each other. That means not only Rohan is embracing or hugging Shekhar, but Shekhar is also doing the same thing. He is also reciprocating the same activity, same actions. Okay, so here each other is the reciprocal pronoun. Next example, the twins love and completely understand each other. That means between the two twins, okay, between the two twins, not only one of the twin understands the other twin, but that other twin also understands the first twin. Okay, you know what are twins? Yes or no? So the twins love and completely understand each other. That means they both understand each other. So here again each other is what? Reciprocal pronoun. Okay students, I hope you are clear about what is reciprocal pronoun. It is used to denote the reciprocity or mutuality of action that is done by the subjects. That means it shows it reciprocates the actions that are done in between two persons or two things. Okay, now next comes indefinite pronoun. So what is indefinite pronoun? Indefinite pronoun is used in a sentence when antecedent, that means noun, is not present. Okay, they do not indicate any particular or specific noun for which they have been used. That means indefinite pronoun is itself, it is saying that it is indefinite and not definite. That means this pronoun is not used to show or tell about any special person or special thing or any particular person, not one person, two person, or about specific some person. Okay, so a specific person or specific thing, but it is talking, the indefinite pronoun, it shows the noun that is in indefinite number. That means it cannot be counted. Okay, so it is used only to show everything. That means every person or anything in general, not in particular, not in specific form. Okay, so indefinite pronouns are used in a sentence when the noun is absent. That means the noun, like the name of any person, the name of any place, when the noun is not present, then we use indefinite pronoun. Let us go with some examples. One should love his own, his or one's country. Yes or no? One here, it doesn't denote number one. Okay, it is showing what? All. That means every person who lives in a country, he should love his, or you can write as it is, as we are using this one here, that is why here it is written ones. You can write his also or one's also. So it is talking about every person that lives in a country, he should love his country. Okay, not only here this one is not including what, not showing number one. Okay, but it is showing about all persons. Next example, many were present in the party but I hardly recognized anyone. That means here many means what? Not one person, two person. Yes or no? Lot of people, lot of persons. It is said here about lot of persons, that many people were present in the party but I hardly recognized anyone. That means I couldn't recognize anyone. Okay, many people were present there. So here again it is show that indefinite pronoun is not used to indicate any particular or specific person. It is used for general, anyone. Okay, it includes all. Okay students, so this was for today's. We have learned two types of pronoun, that is reciprocal pronoun and indefinite pronoun. Okay, so thank you students for today's class. I hope you are clear with these two types of pronoun.